Hi, I'm Anna Nash. I studied physics at Luton Sixth Form College and left to study physics at the University of Exeter in the summer of 2015. I'm now an engineer at the Mullard Space Science Laboratory in Surrey, and I'll tell you a little bit more about my journey in physics later.
Well, this is one of the demos you can expect to see as part of your A-level physics course, should you choose to do it. And if, like me, you're wondering why this ring is floating in the middle of this metal rod like it is, then A-level physics may well be the course for you.
So what brings you here to physics?
I really enjoyed it in school. It's probably my favourite of the three science subjects that we do, and I like to think I'm decent at it, so I figured I'd give it a go at sixth form.
Cool. So especially from a student's point of view, being interested in the subject that you're doing really does help you to stay motivated, especially with the intensity of A-levels. So if you think that you have an interest in physics or are passionate about it, physics A-level is a really good choice for you. How is your maths?
I like to think I'm quite good at it. It's probably my strongest point in school.
And what roughly are you predicted?
A 9 so far.
So while our entry requirements are a 6 for maths GCSE, we're really looking at students who are getting or aiming to get 6s, 7s and 8s and 9s because there's a big crossover between maths and physics, and there's a lot of maths skills that you need to do A-level physics. So if you have a good understanding of maths, you are probably better suited to do physics and at A-level.
Physics is a great subject, and it's foundational across many STEM degrees and careers. I really enjoyed it, so I decided to study it at degree level. And once I'd graduated with my bachelor's in physics, I decided I wanted a hands-on job that still incorporated some of my physics knowledge. So I applied for a job at the Mullard Space Science Laboratory, which is the home of UCL's Department for Space and Climate Physics. So here we design, build, and test scientific instruments for spacecraft. So I am an AIT engineer. So AIT stands for Assembly, Integration and Testing. So in particular, I test our instruments in thermal vacuum test chambers to simulate the environment that they'll be in once they're in space. So over my time here, I've mainly worked in a team that's produced a panoramic camera system for the European Space Agency's Rosalind Franklin Mars rover, which is set to launch from Kazakhstan in 2022. So physics can open some really exciting doors, but it does also take some hard graft and isn't something you want to embark on lightly. My advice is choose subjects that you enjoy, not subjects that you think other people will be impressed by. There's no point spending 2 years at sixth form being miserable because you chose a subject that you didn't really like. If you do choose physics, then great. If you choose another subject, that's also great. I just hope that you enjoy your sixth form experience as much as I did.